Hey, how y'all doing? I'm back with another one. If y'all been following closely, trampoline is in this area. Retaining wall is done. We laid the tarp. Trampoline is moved. So they can enjoy life while I'm still out here breaking my back. Yeah. But hey, continue on. Filling the greenhouse. I am making progress. I did that in part of selling the trampoline area because the dirt had to move from over there in here. I'm going to also remove all this excess. Now, I'll just use the rake and spread that dirt out in here. All the clumps from digging the holes through the trees, spread it out, make it as flat as possible. And I also need to find me a tiller. I've been looking on Facebook, but every one I come across for like $50 because I still need to till this area to give me 3 more beds, 4 finish the greenhouse. My plan is in this video to finish filling this, raking it, and those pavers which I made last year are gonna form the floor if I have enough. There's half a pallet, 3/4 of a pallet. It should be enough to finish that. I originally made these to do my pergola, but I'm gonna have to come out of pocket immensely because I want this walkway coming between the pool and the trampoline that leads over to the stairs for the pool deck and also matches the pergola that's going right there. The same way we made the wall. Dig, tamper, level, screed, level, put pavers in, and then lock them in place. It's gonna be so much fun. Trust me. Say what?
I'm gonna fill it up with concrete?
No concrete.
Shall I get more blocks?
Yes, a lot more blocks. A lot.
2,000? 200?
Yeah, close to 1,000. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot. I am going to get to work. Put you guys on hyperlapse. You watch me do my thing. As you can see, water is collecting, coming down this way, just like I want it to. And it'll flow there, all the way over into here, and eventually make its way. This section is already collecting water, so none of this is going to waste. Now, they won't be jumping up there. You see that green spot, and it's just water and grass. The water is all gonna flow down here.
Into the dwarf.
Say that again? The what?
Dwarf.
It's Dwarf Namwa. I don't even remember if I explained or not, but these tree branches came from a tree that was growing here. There's a stump, and over there, if you see just to the right of the shovel, sticking up right there. I just cut them down, reuse them to run cucumbers, watermelons. These sugarcane here, I need to rescue them. They are coming back slow. But I need to go ahead and transplant. So they're not in the way of that. This one is just for Jeremiah and Jaime. Y'all remember these blocks? Look at that pallet. You know why? Boom, y'all. Boom. We're ready. We are ready. Just gotta bring them planter boxes in here. Now, you can hear that? They're not set in place or level. They're just here so them boxes can have something solid to sit on. Because throughout this whole video, I just filled this whole thing up. It's all good. Water's gonna drain. All that is weed barrier. Go down below. Over time, this thing is gonna compress by 2-3 inches. But it's good. It's good though. Greenhouse almost done. Almost done. Then I can get back on the pool area. Y'all gonna love that one. I already got 4 in the docket to drop. It's just gonna keep coming. Might as well go and subscribe. Stop skipping through the video. Don't do it. Just go and subscribe because you know you like what's happening here. Well, all right, y'all. From Nailed It Projects. This is another one in the books. Another one. Hey, greenhouse. I'm gonna say about 90% there. Just got to put the planter boxes inside. Get the roof done. We set. We set. I'm so proud of my plants back there. And the trampoline area we done. Y'all, God is good, God is great. All the time. Don't y'all forget it. Well, time to go on inside and eat dinner. You trying to drink my Gatorade?
Can I have it?
Is it not hot?
It's not hot.
Okay, go ahead.
Yippee. Thank you.
So, hey, next video, y'all. Stay tuned. They coming.